You?
Did you just fart?
Yeah. Are you farting?
उसके लिप्स पे देखो पनीर लगा हुआ है.
व्यू चलो हम मुंह धो के आएंगे.
वीरू को wash your face. Hello, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm recording this on the 22nd of July. It's 6:30 right now in the evening, and it's a Wednesday today, and I have had a very shitty week till now. And I'm sorry that every single time I start my YouTube video, it's always on a horrible note, but मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. मुझे बहुत बकवास लग रहा है पिछले कुछ टाइम से, और मैं फेक नहीं करूँगी कि मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and I'm a very happy and jolly person. I am not, and I haven't been since the past. This is the third week, so since the past 2.5 weeks, I haven't been. I had a pretty good weekend. I feel like last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was still better as compared to this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Also because of the external things that's happening in the country right now. I had gone with my mom on Friday for some work, and then Saturday I went out with my friends. Sunday I went out with my sister's friends, and it was so nice to meet them, even though like I don't hang out with them. मैं 3 लोगों से तो पहली बार मिली थी. I had a lot of fun the entire day on Sunday. और जब मैं और मेरी बहन वापस आ रहे थे रात को, तो हम दोनों को पोस्ट हैंग आउट ब्लूज हो रहे थे, क्योंकि वो तो सैड थी कि उसके 2 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स जा रहे हैं, मतलब दे आर लीविंग द सिटी. वन इज़ गोना लीव सून, द अदर 2 डोंट लिव इन दिल्ली, सो वो अपने अपने सिटीज़ जा रहे थे. एंड मेरी बहन बहुत सैड हो रही थी, और मेरे को भी सैड फील हो रहा था कि भाई शिट यार, हमारा इतना अच्छा हैंग आउट खत्म हो गया. Also because I have nothing to look forward to this week. I had nothing. Monday, Tuesday also, and Wednesday up till Saturday, Sunday also मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं to look forward to and be like, oh no, this is coming up. Monday I had gone for the protest with a friend, her friends, and my sister. It was actually very nice to be there, but I feel like we entered and left at a very safe time. We entered around like 11 o'clock and we left around 2 o'clock. एंड हमने मार्च में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करा था, एंड वी डिडंट गो टू जंतर मंतर, वी वेंट टू जनपथ. सो वी वर क्लोज टू द प्रोटेस्ट साइट, बट वी वर स्टिल, समझ लो प्रोटेस्ट साइट के थोड़े आउटस्कर्ट्स में ही थे हम, क्योंकि हमें एकदम बीच में नहीं जाना था. वी हैड टू प्रायोरिटाइज आवर सेफ्टी. उसके बाद से जस्ट ओपनिंग इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो समटाइम्स फील सो डिस्टर्बिंग. ऐसा लग रहा है मतलब भाई क्या हो रहा है, इतना एंक्शस फील हो रहा है. एंड ऐसा नहीं है दिस इज़ दी ओनली प्रोटेस्ट दैट्स हैपनिंग, राइट. ये तो एक प्रोटेस्ट है जिसके बारे में हमें पता है. बाकी इस कंट्री की जो हालत है अभी, देयर इज जस्ट chaos एवरीवेयर एंड देयर इज डिसअपॉइंटमेंट एवरीवेयर. एंड I'm not talking about political parties, I'm just talking about issues. So just from a perspective of issues, there's just disappointment in the citizens, you know, and it's really sad and it's very heartbreaking. And ऐसे हम Instagram खोलते थे, you know, to sort of like doom scroll and have a laugh and just distract ourselves for some time and then do our thing. बट अब ऐसा लग रहा है you're opening it and you're not feeling like opening it, and then you're opening it, you're also feeling helpless. I feel like, you know, I was talking to a friend अभी, and हमने यही बात करी कि जब हम प्रोटेस्ट पे थे तो हमें बेटर फील हो रहा था, क्योंकि इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी नहीं थी, तो हमें नहीं पता चल रहा था ना कि 2 किलोमीटर दूर ही लाठी चार्ज हो रही है, नॉट इवन 2 किलोमीटर्स दूर, like some few 100 meters दूर लाठी चार्ज हो रही है, टीयर गैस हो रहा है. बट बिकॉज वी वर इन द पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट वाला एरिया, हमें इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो रहा था. एंड देन व्हेन यू आर, एंड एटलीस्ट हमें लग रहा था दैट ओके वी आर हियर, वी आर डूइंग समथिंग, वी आर डूइंग आवर बिट, राइट, वी आर डूइंग व्हाटएवर वी कैन. व्हेन यू आर एट होम तुम्हें लगता है कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, मतलब मैं व्हाट डू आई डू, यू नो, एंड यू जस्ट फील हेल्पलेस, and you also feel so scared and you feel so disappointed at the state of affairs. So yeah, that's happening externally, but I don't think I have much to say about that. Matlab, there's already so much that's happening. I don't want to have any conversation about that right now. I am feeling absolutely horrible and I'm feeling lonely, and I picked up a hobby, by the way. I am going to, picked up nahi, I'm going to. I had gone for a singing trial class अभी कुछ टाइम पहले, मतलब कुछ घंटों पहले. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, but then they're shit expensive, so I'll have to bargain a little bit and be like भाई इतना तो मैं नहीं दे सकती अभी तुम्हें. So yeah, I will probably start learning the ukulele and western vocals. So it's going to be a twice a week thing. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's see how it goes. Apart from that, just to make myself feel better, I'm going to get my nails done right now. So come with me. Dealing with all my problems with good nails now. कुछ ऐसा लग नहीं रहा होगा कि मैंने कराया है. Firstly, because my nails are non-existent, and secondly, like I got a very light pink with a little bit of shimmer done, like just gel paint. I don't do anything else with my nails. Anyway, let's say hi to our little princess. Hello. I just got done with dinner. I had pull apart garlic bread and pizza from Tossin and half a can of Diet Coke, जिसको देख के my brother was really disappointed कि आपसे एक can Diet Coke भी नहीं पी जाती. But अब मैं क्या करूँ? I don't know what it is with respect to like these fast foody items. मुझसे खाया ही नहीं जाता. मुझे याद है मैं पहले इतना ज़्यादा बिस्किट खाती थी in school and I stopped eating that. Like I've stopped having biscuits fully. I don't have hide and seek, I don't have Jim Jam. I used to like hog on biscuits like there's no tomorrow. McDonald's I can't have. मैं पहले खा सकती थी, अब मुझसे एकदम ही नहीं खाया जाता. Like मतलब कुछ 6 महीनों में एक बार अगर मैंने खा लिया तो खा लिया, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्या डाल रही हूँ मैं अपने स्टमक के अंदर और मुझसे खाया ही नहीं जाता. And then Domino's and all okay fine, like on an occasional day I will have. Tossin is fine sometimes. This is the second time I can recall myself having Tossin pizza. But like Maggi also, मतलब मुझसे एक पूरा केक मैगी नहीं खाया जाता. And I don't know what it is about fast food stuff that I can't have it after a point. My appetite just goes down if I'm having that for a meal. I can have chips. I love chips. I can have chips. But then if I go to a restaurant for a meal, then my appetite is the same as it is at home or more. तो जब मैं ये Domino's, McDonald's खाती हूँ तभी मेरी भूख कम हो जाती है. बट हाँ आज सही था. पिज़्ज़ा वॉज गुड ओनली. आई एम काइंड ऑफ बोर्ड. मैं पहले सोच रही थी कि मैं क्या करूँ कि एक पज़ल ऑर्डर कर लूँ क्या. फिर मैंने सोचा नहीं यार, इट्स टू मच ऑफ अ कमिटमेंट. 1000 piece puzzle इज़ टू मच ऑफ अ कमिटमेंट. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट लाइक आई हैव टू बाय अ पज़ल एल्बम, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक 3000 pieces पज़ल करे थे एंड एक को बस मैंने ऐसे ही रख दिया क्योंकि उसमें से एक पज़ल का पीस निकल गया था, वो गुम हो गया था. दूसरे जो बाकी 2 थे उनको मैंने ना फ्रेम करवा लिया. सो आई गॉट द पज़ल्स फ्रेम्ड. आई ऑर्डर फ्रेम्स फ्रॉम Amazon एंड आई लाइक पुट इट इनसाइड द फ्रेम एंड नाउ आई हैव लाइक 2 A3 साइज फ्रेम्स जो एक्चुअली पज़ल्स है एंड वो काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. बट अब मुझे वो तीसरा नहीं बनाना, मतलब चौथा नहीं बनाना. इट्स गोना बी लिटिल इरिटेटिंग. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू ऑर्डर. आई सॉ दिस ऑन Instagram. इट्स कॉल्ड नॉट योर टाइप, विच इज़ लाइक दिस एम्ब्रॉयडरी काइंड ऑफ थिंग दैट यू कैन डू. सो आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई दैट. मतलब देखते हैं हाउ इट इज़. I'll see if I want to order paint by numbers. Paint by numbers होता है वो शायद, जिसमें ड्राइंग बनी होती है and then there are numbers and then you can paint according to the numbers or something. Let's see if I want to do that. तो हाँ, कुछ तो ऑर्डर करके सोऊंगी मैं ताकि मेरा कुछ तो मेरे पास टाइम पास करने के लिए हो. मुझे बहुत टाइम से द शीप डिटेक्टिव मूवी देखनी थी एंड इट इज़ ओनली नाउ आफ्टर आई थिंक 2 weeks ऑफ वांटिंग टू वॉच द मूवी दैट आई हैव सैट माई सेल्फ डाउन एंड आई हैव ओपन माई लैपटॉप एंड आई हैव नाउ आई एम प्लानिंग टू प्ले द मूवी. ये भी 2 घंटे की है. मुझे पता है मैं 1 घंटे में मेरे को नींद आने लग जाएगी, मैं सो जाऊँगी. आई एम जस्ट समबडी हु लाइक्स टू गो टू द थिएटर एंड वॉच अ मूवी, or else like if I'm watching it at home then I want full attention, because if I'm watching a movie then I want to be fully invested in the movie and I want to feel everything and all of that. Like my sister for example, if she's gonna watch a movie, मतलब वो मूवी देखेगी फिर वो टेक्स्ट करने लग जाएगी, फिर मूवी देखेगी फिर वो कहीं ऐसे कुछ और देखने लग जाएगी, कुछ सोचने लग जाएगी. और मैं जब उसका मूवी देखती हूँ लाइक आई पॉज द मूवी एंड आई एम लाइक बताओ किसने क्या बोला, बताओ अभी तक क्या हुआ है. वो नहीं बता पाती और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है तन्वी यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द डेप्थ ऑफ द मूवी, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक एनीथिंग अबाउट द मूवी. आई वॉज टोल्ड बाय a friend of mine कुछ टाइम पहले that I watch very फालतू movies and I have not watched any real movies. और उसके बाद मैंने इम्तियाज़ अली की मूवीज़ देखनी शुरू करी. मतलब I watched तमाशा, मैंने वो तो देख रखा था, रंग दे बसंती, आई थिंक इट्स इन द इम्तियाज़ अली मूवी. I watched तमाशा, I watched Rockstar, फिर मैं वापस आऊँगा एंड भाई they're such like I don't have the heart to watch it again. It's so intense and it makes you feel all of those feelings. So yeah. तो अभी देखते हैं how this sheep detective turns out to be. On a side note, I am going to be renting out my workspace really soon. And like hopefully in August only if everything goes well. So it's basically a room and washroom जो owners ने building के terrace पे बनाया हुआ है and it's in a newly made building जो मेरे घर के 300 मीटर दूर भी नहीं है. So it's convenient in every way. It's a small space but I am so glad that firstly it's close to home, so I don't have to worry about my meals or anything. I can just walk down, eat food, go back again. I can finally call people offline, even if it's like I think at max 2 people and including me 3. But if people want to take one-on-one classes with me, I can finally, hopefully if everything goes well, start teaching them offline. And yeah, I had started teaching in a corner of my room first, and then I moved to my living room, and now I'm going to have a workspace, and I'm so excited to decorate it and like to make it my own. And I'm also going to start strength training in August, because I'm just gonna this time I'm planning to not sign up for a gym membership again, because मेरी 1 year की membership almost ख़त्म होने वाली है. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि gym membership ना करने के जगह मैं अपने उस space में ही like I'll set up a like I'll get a pull-up bar installed, and anyways I'm signing up under a new strength and conditioning, calisthenics, etc. coach. I feel like, considering how July was such a bummer, and I know that the next 2 weeks also, like till this month gets over, I'm gonna give myself all the time that I need to just sulk. You know, I feel like we as humans, and maybe it's because of our conditioning or whatever you call it, we associate good and bad to our emotions. For example, happy, jolly, all of these things are good, and sad, angry, sulky, resentful, irritable, all of these are bad. So we associate good and bad to feelings which are natural, to feelings that are not black and white, and to feelings that are all equal, right? You are the same person who is happy, same person who's sad, same person who's resentful sometimes, same person who's irritable the other times. Why can't you consider all of these as equal? It is only when we feel sad and we feel weighed down and we feel like not doing anything कि हमें सारा damage control करने का मन करता है, because it's so uncomfortable for us to be in that spot, right? For example, I haven't been able to give my work my all, as in I am giving my all to the current number of students I'm teaching, but I haven't been marketing myself on Instagram or anything. मैं hardly कोई reels बना रही हूँ, hardly कोई content idea सोच रही हूँ, bandwidth ही नहीं है. मेरी उतनी bandwidth है कि मेरे जो current number of students हैं, मैं उनकी classes में 100% present रहूँ और उनको अपना 100% दूँ, and that's about it. But I am having so much guilt in not doing other things, because it just feels like a crime to sulk on the days where you genuinely want to sulk and you need to sulk. I feel like sometimes you're not doing well, when you're not doing well emotionally, and you know you need to just give yourself time, it's very important that you do so. And this is something that I'm trying to tell myself as well, that the more I try to do damage control and be like, oh no, you know, I'm gonna make myself feel better, and I'm gonna like do XYZ things, and I'm gonna force myself to work and force myself to do extra things that I usually do when I'm up and about, usse kuch hone nahi wala. Like, you're just going against what your body needs. Like this month, a lot of students of mine did not sign up because they had other commitments, and one of my students also said that, you know, she's going through a lot in her personal life, so she wouldn't be able to continue. और मुझे एकदम से ऐसा लगने लगा, fuck, am I losing out on students? And then I took a step back and I was like, hey, you know what, you're not. Because none of your students have left you because they don't like your teaching. Your students have left you because there's stuff going on in their life, and you have done that as well. When you are a student, you've done the same thing, so it's okay. And I also feel like maybe it's good that this month I don't have as many number of students, because I really need this time for myself. I really need this time to just be in bed. If somebody around you is crying and you're trying to console them by making them laugh, or by not giving them the space to cry, or by telling them, oh, you know what, you should do this, you should do that, you should do this, don't think about it. You know, why are you doing it? What is it bringing up for you? कि तुम्हारे सामने एक इंसान रो रहा है, तो क्या हो गया अगर वो रो रहा है तो, या तो क्या हो गया अगर वो सैड है तो, उसका कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा तो. It says nothing about you, and maybe you also need that, which is why, and you're not giving yourself that, which is why it's uncomfortable to see another person in front of you who is actually taking that time to feel that emotion. Because if someone is happy and jolly and everything, तुम उसको थोड़ी बोलोगे कि oh, like, you know, be back to normal, etc. You will not want to change anything about that situation. Just stuff to think about, I think. And I think it's really important stuff to think about. It's okay to feel weighed down. It's okay to feel like nothing is working out, because it's only a matter of time until everything starts to work out again. It's a phase. And one of my friends told me the other day that every phase has to come to an end. So right now, Priyal, you're feeling like, okay, nothing is going right. You're feeling all of these feelings. You're feeling lonely and everything, right? So this phase of life is also going to come to an end. And then you're going to be like, oh, now what? Okay, now I feel like I really need to get back to myself. that means that you've like fully covered the journey of every stage of feeling that emotion, and now you're done with it, and now you're like, okay, now what next? Let the wave come and go, even if it's an uncomfortable wave. और ये मैं इतना ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, मैं sometimes I really need other people to say this to me, so this is just my attempt at explaining this to myself instead of you guys. कौन सुन भी रहा है इतना नहीं सुन रहा है, मैं अपने आप से ही बात कर रही हूँ. But I have seen people around me who don't allow themselves to rest, who are of the opinion that, oh, like, you know, day in day out you gotta work and you gotta put in the effort, and this is the time वरना ट्रेन छूट जाएगी क्योंकि timelines है जो तुम्हें follow करनी है, it's XYZ things. Might work for them, but in my opinion it's BS, because that is the exact same thing that leads to a burnout. You have to understand that on some days you have only 2% to give, and you giving that 2% on that particular day is your 100%. On other days you will have 120 to give. If you give 120, it's your 100%. You're giving your 100% every day, but then to expect कि तुम 2% एनर्जी वाले दिन पे भी 100% एनर्जी दो, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. तुम 2% पे 2% ही दो ना, वही तुम्हारा उस दिन का 100 है. बट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. तो मेरे इतने बड़े भाषण का यही पॉइंट है दैट बी काइंड टू योरसेल्फ. There's nothing that is so important in this world that you need to achieve, and you need to put yourself through shit, and you need to scrutinize yourself and be unkind to yourself to achieve. इतना कुछ worth it नहीं है. Slowing down is the way to go. It's sustainable. Listen to your body, listen to what you need, and don't pressurize yourself. It's easier said than done. I am also still learning to do it, and I feel like this phase of my life, I am really learning what I teach to other people. I teach other people in class to slow down and to listen to their bodies on days when they're not feeling like it. This is an experience that I am having to live, and I'm having to do that myself, and it's so much harder to do it than to like speak about it, you know. So yeah, there's no race. There is nothing that you're going to lose out on or miss out on. Unfortunately, this capitalistic world does not allow us to rest. So you have to fight that and give yourself rest. That's it. Be kind to yourself, honey. Be your own friend. भाई, I was just editing my vlog और मुझे अपने आप से इतनी cringe सदगुरु vibes आ रही है क्योंकि I have taken a total of 20 minutes only to tell you at the end to be kind to yourself and to be your own friend. Wow, इतने $1 million इसके बारे में तो किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं होगा. इतना माइंड ब्लो कर दिया होगा ना मैंने सबका. एनीवे, मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल, मेरा मुंह, मैं जो मन में आए बोलूँ.